If you want your Shopify store to look professional, build trust, and stand out from the competition, one of the best things you can do is connect a custom domain. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to add your own domain to Shopify in just a few quick steps. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. On the left side, you'll see the Home or My Store tab. Go ahead and click it. This takes you to your main dashboard where you manage everything related to your online store. Now look toward the bottom left corner and select Settings. This is where all your core store configurations live. Inside the Settings menu, find the option labeled Domains and click on it. This is the control center for anything related to your store's URLs. Here, choose Connect Existing Domain. Before moving forward, make sure you have already purchased a domain from a registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or any provider you prefer. Paste your custom domain into the field provided. Double check carefully. One small typo can prevent your domain from connecting properly. After confirming it's correct, click Next. Shopify will now walk you through any remaining steps. Depending on where you bought your domain, you may need to update your DNS settings. Typically, this means pointing your A record and C name to Shopify servers. Shopify provides clear instructions for each registrar, so simply follow the prompts and apply those changes. Once the DNS updates are processed, your custom domain will be officially connected to your Shopify store, giving your business a polished and trustworthy online presence. And that's all it takes. If you ever run into trouble, Shopify's support and help docs are always available to guide you. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your store. Your brand is now one step closer to looking truly professional.